One of the misconceptions about meditation is the idea that you must always empty your mind of all thoughts while you sit motionless with your eyes closed and wait in the silence for something magical to happen. During a normal busy day, you probably have thousands of different thoughts streaming through your mind continuously. In fact, they flow at a speed much faster than speech, and you may often wish you could capture them, perhaps dictate them onto a tape or write them down, because later when you try to return to a specific thought, you cannot always recall it. When you first try to meditate and sit quietly, far from your mind becoming a blank, the opposite happens. You become immediately aware of your thoughts that, try as you might, take you in all sorts of directions. Have you ever begun with one particular thought and seconds later found yourself thinking about something completely different, totally unrelated even? It's only when you track back that you realize how one thought has led to another with such a smooth transition that you barely notice it. As soon as you set out to meditate, stopping your normal activities to make that space for yourself has exactly that effect. Within that space, you now have a chance to notice the endless stream of thoughts that run through your mind, whereas before you probably gave them a fleeting second of attention before they and you moved on. Let them flow and go wherever they take you. Eventually you will discover that if you remove all physical boundaries and all mental and emotional boundaries, you will then be guided purely by your spiritual energy. This is how meditation helps you find the route for your journey of self-discovery. Please persevere with meditation and do not go into it with preconceived ideas, because you will be disappointed. Expect anything and nothing. This tranquil, contemplative state is the most powerful and effective natural gift that we all possess. The more you use it, the more dramatic the results.